Ooh, here I come again. Live and live in color. Hey! Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know where I go? We keep on blazing the fire from that time till this time. Now we have a comedy here. Something that we've been working on for a long time, but we never get to edit it yet now. So it's the first time we have to do a movie part to pass the time, but it worked. You know what I mean? Hope you enjoy it. And if for the first time you come on the channel, please do subscribe, like, share, tell a friend. We're fighting a war here. We're trying to do the impossible, I mean, I tell you. Sometimes I feel impossible, sometimes I feel like giving up. But the most I wake up this morning and say, oh, fire, get to work. Come on, we work for you. Let's go.
Who is it? Morning, Brittany. Welcome. Good to see you again, darling. Okay. Let me show you the room that you're gonna stay. Alright, so this is your room where you're gonna stay. Okay? And normally me and my husband die, but him gone back a foreign, so I'm a one and I need the company. Okay. So alright, enjoy your room and then my room next door.
Alright.
Okay?
Let us come up and watch TV.
Okay. Brittany, come here a second.
Yes?
Now that you're still with me, I have something to show you. Okay? Just in case emergency and I'm not here. Emergency only. Because it's not money I'm clear with. I have a bank card in here, so.
Oh.
Okay, so just in case I'm not here and anything happen, you can use this card.
Alright.
Okay, me will text you the PIN number.
Alright.
Keep it secure, please. Alright? Okay.
Alright.
Emergency only, Brittany.
Emergency only.
Let me say?
Emergency only.
Alright. Okay.
Alright. Jesus Christ. Auntie, I smell it here, man.
Well, me eat a lot. And I love sweets, so.
I need to smell it here. I need somebody in country. I get to know something.
Well, for the start of life.
Thank you. Put this in your fridge.
Yes. Make it stay cool. This we're gonna cook, right? So we need the thing. That one the food is the Frankfurt.
Jesus Christ. Ano sa piyesa?
Nice, right? Up to a different valley.
Yeah, no
Snacks for later. Yep. Muy time.
Come here. This is for tomorrow. Here's coconut milk.
Yeah.
Look at the knife.
Just catch up for the kitchen.
Ano na gusto ko yan, bay? Ang post niya sa long list.
Tape measure list.
Me love their life, yeah. Me don't want life. No, sir. Super. Okay. Bigyan ka pa siya sa
Yes, of course.
I think I hear something.
Let's just go up and go on sometime.
right?
This is splurging.
Yeah. I'm just put them out of the meal, because I'm going to try to put in camera. I think I'll say every channel I'm putting camera. Look at me. Okay. That's good. Let me see this much of pie. Alright. Alright. So we'll come back on. I'll show you some. Okay, together. Well, go on, girl. Give me some of the lavish lifestyle. She don't even know. I said the house big, you see, girl. When time auntie I make shopping, no, nothing normal. I cook my day, I cook right now. Are we eating mackerel and rice? You look, it's a mackerel and rice, I never chicken and rice, me and you. Girl, you see if I come again on the one, like Friday night, we come back across the street. I don't want to come back, man. Girl, big up fast screen TV. Wi-Fi, everything there. No glass, every time we come glass, there, because I look at myself, so. What? Girl, all this store be fancy. If you like I have 2 burner stove and we have a fire there, I don't know them there. We don't have 2 burner stove right here, baby girl. Wrong place. No, them flat glass stove, girl. Could it? Me look on a nice view out so. Put it in the could it? Nah, trouble me. Girl, nice view me I tell about. Girl, I'm a bedroom. A 2 bed in there. Say what? Let me have a look in there too. Nice bedroom, girl. 2 bed. Me jump on bed. 2 bed. Closet, girl, me can go hide from the auntie when me feel like you want to care about a man, me can just hide him in there. Under the bathroom. I'm a good fan. Just press and it turn on. Yeah, the good bathroom. I think I'm up 2 pieces of dirty clothes and so I'm just rinse out. Girl, I love this lifestyle. Yeah. So your sounds like a jealous. Girl, me call him back and I'm stop very long. Later me and you talk. Alright. Friend. If you have to have a washing machine and the painting on the wall. So
Hi baby girl, how the cooking going?
it's going great.
Almost done?
Yeah.
I can smell it from inside. I'm getting hungry.
I'm there for the stove, but
Clean up a little bit.
each time I cook now is clean inside.
That's good. So who taught you how to cook?
Mommy.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
But just watch her. Should I teach me, but just watch her.
Watch her? Alright, that's the best way to learn anyway. Alright, after you're done cooking and we're done eating, we're gonna go out somewhere nice. Okay? Alright, just call me when it's ready, okay?
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Auntie, how many rice and gravy and rice? Or?
No, I don't take gravy and mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you. This looks so good.
How many juice?
Thank you. Yes, please, pineapple.
Yeah. What's in the glass?
I have a glass in there, you could use it. And I'll take a piece of napkin too. Thank you. Right spice, this is good. That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright, I will share my phone now. Rice in the bowl. Yo, something in the refrigerator. Christmas de masanya. Jadi macam ya, toast up. Ini macam. Really? So every day. little cheese.
I'm rolling inside here. Don't in love with it, yo. Don't know one girl like this, you know. We cook the food in slow roll, yo. I know what shot eat and like this, good.
Good morning, morning. You making breakfast? Well, I'm gonna have my coffee first. I am a grump without my coffee in the morning. I'll just shift this out of the way a little bit. Do it back. Sorry. That's it?
Yeah. Oh, the sugar thing, I want to do it all the time.
I don't like glass cup, I forgot to cup milk.
Oh,
Okay, Brittany, next time when you're making breakfast, you fry the plantain before the sausage.
Oh.
Because after you fry the sausage, then the plantain will take the taste from that. Okay? All right, my dear. I think what I know my father would have wanted. Oh yeah, as far as the season, I'm not sure. Because, maintenance going after that, Sunday, Liquid and Westmoreland, right? Between Liquid and Westmoreland.
No. Yo, go Westmoreland. Westmoreland is probably.
Alright, I have to be a bit
Westmoreland, all of Westmoreland.
Hello.
Wagwan, sister.
Hey, nothing much. What's up?
Ah, boy, free at last, you know?
Oh, really nice.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. They hold me down for a while.
I know it's been a while.
Yeah, man. We soon come here, we come get a link, you know, when I best time.
I'm home anytime today for the rest of the day, so you can come. You can pass through.
Alright, well, I go try get a bus. You know, because I know so they take all of my vehicle, everything they take it from me, so. But I'm good still. I'm out for one day, you know, but I never call nobody, but I just get up this morning and feel good and get a vision last night. So I go link you.
Okay, cool, cool.
So you go do it differently?
Yeah, man, everything good. Life is good.
Yeah, you said my bad niece up there live with you too.
Stop labeling her as bad. She not bad. All she need is some guidance. There's no bad kids or children.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
just needs some guidance.
Alright, that is it.
Alright?
It's a tragedy what happened to her mother, you know?
I know about.
Alright. Our sister, you know?
Yes, exactly.
Alright, we'll go up with her.
Alright. Oh, hi. Thank you. But just here for your cousin like a while, your uncle like a while. Say I come visit him out and the other day, but he never called me. Imagine that, eh? So I just say, Papa, I'm not able to send me for him come here, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, thank you for breakfast.
Alright, then enjoy. Alright. Woo. No, so it's a better. Auntie, you know, I'm gonna work today.
Yeah, I'm working the afternoon shift, so I'm going to go to about an hour or so. Just to relax my brain a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Now work like physically, mentally, emotionally exhausting. So may I relax, get my thoughts together, then I'm going to get ready and leave out. So what's your plans for the day when I'm gone?
I'm just stay in a room and sleep. Or if anything on the house, I'm just sleep. Or I'm just cook and dinner come.
Okay.
So I can eat dinner.
Yeah, some dinner would be nice when I come back and I'm hungry. Yeah.
You know, I'll check on something there.
Alright, okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yala,
Be a boy going.
Diana. So, how me not see awa go on up there, a man there up there?
Me not have no man up here, stop your eyes.
Me can't get to see how go on, so me can't come and look for you if you not have no man up there.
Of course, but look here. auntie I got work in the afternoon, is it? So, but they say, why not come over, you know, maybe hang out, because I think at the night she'll come back from work. I think, I'm not sure in the evening.
Hold on. If you got a country, me live. Me if you jump on the bus, you have to go give me direction or you send your location on WhatsApp so me can find you.
Me do that then, me send it on WhatsApp. By the time she leave out, me tell them, me link Jamaica, you know how far out. Or if I want to leave out now and go and ramp around in the town, me like with girl, you know. Like play around in the town, looking for something we all like.
No, bad man no play around, man. Me a come, man. Oh, yeah.
I go and KFC or Burger King go sit down until me to say just pass through, you see me?
Them places full of too much oily in them food. No worry about that.
Alright, just stay here until me call you, just leave out.
Alright, man, where you coming?
Alright, love you.
Yeah. Ah, tata.
Who that? Hey, what, my brother?
Yeah, man. I almost mysterious, you know.
Good to see, but next time there's a black bell on the door, you ring it. When I down country, so ring the doorbell.
Oh, I see it all them that one now. The operating mom just kind of like.
Yes.
So all things.
Security is good. Good, I'm just there, take it easy.
Free at last, I tell her they lock me down. Give thanks to look money you send one day, because when they be on bar, you still have to spend money set there. Because everything you want, you can get it in there, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So you have to buy credit and them things, you have to make
credit
some
card.
card. Never a woman there. When I go home, she's surprised. But some of the things that go on, there's some rumors.
This is the one that cheap by your in jail. Me do one about her a long time, so she no good. But he always put the woman them for family, so.
Well, you know I go. I woman my want me when you come night. I will spend a years and blow cool breeze in a year. You know I go. That is it.
So that keep you all this time in a jail.
It's me and talk, you know, sometimes get her phone, sometimes I don't get her phone, I suspect something, so I don't tell her something I come. So, arriving, I'll clothes me see some people are wear. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm not about her talk, I don't know, been away for a while, you know what I mean? So, she's only human being, so she said she gonna fuck me, she gonna make it up to me.
And you believe that?
Like, me not cause she now get the ring, you know. She now get the ring. What she do, she now get the ring. So, me just go and when she thinks a peace and safety, then judgment day will come. So, I'm not worry about that. You do what you do, everything good.
Well, me I tell her from now, I don't trust her, I don't like her. Never did, never will. So if you really like me again, I'm planning to murder.
No man.
None of your family from this side now come at that wedding.
No man, nothing like that man. But you know, differently though. You know, place and one thing, so I'll try look into some US to make some money still. So I know about the root of because the tragedy and everything go on, we left for the family. Because free mix style, I tell her, I'm black say, was a sis. You do the robbery, maybe the getaway driver. The map out the blueprint, something like how we are working with that inside link. Too. So that easy access to get the money out. So if my baby could get the money around out coming in a car, easy. She see a police jeep out there now, and like she get nervous. Even before the robbery starts, she start with Gideon for them tries to go check her to drive it. And so come and get locked up in the cars. No get away car out there, she just crash the car and then the whole thing get locked up on her. You know what I mean? But them couldn't hold me for too long because I behave myself. So I mean, so a couple years now, see that the work around.
When you know say you have a big burden of care on your shoulder, you cause your sister for dead, you got jail go serve time, you come back out with no money, and she dead left a daughter.
But what may I say now, though, differently. Who idea was it to rob the bank?
You.
No, it was her idea. It was her idea. She have everything mapped out. That's why she said through she and the planning, and she will decide who will do which part. But I tell her, I said, I'm a better driver than you. Because when it's small, I me drive the car, and me daddy teach first to drive the car. So me know if you drive more than, but she always go and she know more than me. Because if she crash around off the road, we no crash herself.
You know, in a sense, this is not really a blame game. You don't know when I get into.
What we have to do, we have to do it for better. Because in one country like this where everybody has a thief, with bigger heads of a thief, everybody are trying to thief something. We just try to get free share out of the pie. It was the right way or the wrong way, it's just one of the way there they can get some money. You know what I mean? It's that like opportunity there for everybody. You know what I mean? You're married in a riches, you're married to a man who have money, so you're good. You know what I mean?
That
So
take hard work too. You think they just married to a rich man may not have to work?
well, you do what you do and I do what I do. So I like say the end of the road still. So give thanks to the year.
Well, take that as a learning opportunity and experience. And know say crime and robbery not always pay. So try to pan up and up. Get an honest 95 regardless of how much. Hi Brittany.
What?
Hi, Uncle.
Up here, she there now.
Yeah.
What, Nisi?
There.
Yeah, man, you get big door. Look just like your mother. And she running along, you see her. She's gonna come back on idea, then, man.
Hopefully.
Yeah, man, that's tight, man. See a good door.
Yeah.
You're not get Auntie no trouble.
No?
Alright. What you want to become? What you want to become?
Something nice. But not everybody else did.
I don't care if you be a nurse. Healthcare you never go wrong. Always people are sick, always people are dead, always people want help.
Alright, so just take a book. If you take a book properly and you write enough and you want help in the future, because in the future, the fees want the jackpot when I need them, you go send them to school, send them to college, or do nursing. If nobody else to send them. But you can't send them to get money too, so if we get locked up again, you know where you go. You send them.
You see, true when I say fear word and write in a stone, me take the responsibility. I'm a big sister, pick me look after her. I have none for myself, so she's just like mine.
The next thing, we have to know advice from Uncle.
Thank you.
End up like a hero.
Smart girl.
Well, I see the health minister thief $100 million and nobody look upon him like him a criminal. Look like him perfect. So I see a lot of thieves in the country look normal. So why when I try to rob a bank, it make it look like the worst thing?
Because there's a right way for thief and a right way and a wrong way for thief. There's politician thief, right?
But I try going to politics and I realize it's a family business and soon none of my family are in it to pull me in it. There's no room there for me. So easy. I'll be a family night, husband and wife and pick me and grand pick me and great grand. There is no space in nobody new. Right? So we just avoid it and just try to see my lane. The rap without no organization like the bank brothers. So we try.
Actually, me agree with you.
I pass through still. Because I'm going to catch you up here still, you know? You know what I mean? So, we go page and social media.
When you ever start running down Cathy and get a real wife?
What may I say? When I was locked up, when we can't get that the woman there, I use the phone all the time when I make some and call her a wrong number and give a nice voice and I talk, she send me a picture and do the video call and thing. So I page her. Will it do? So one time when we get no money, we send her a credit and we say, alright. Gosh.
So you're staying at jail and mind Cathy out the road?
That's how we do it, man. We always take care of money over there. We don't want some small. She have her credit. I say, Booma, use credit to me send you and call me. Because I want to feel like I'm still the man. Even the behind bar, I'm still that man that run things. Right? The back of road and all. So you good though?
Yeah, I'm going to get ready to go work and all too. So.
Well, you go and do your work. When I do them, we catch up.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah,
I mean, I plan to do a family reunion. Because I see family, nobody from when I did them, I do a big family reunion for Pinny fam. I like great when everybody just come
Make sure so when the reunion you're ready for the bashing though, okay? I know enough for the family still blame you.
But if me get a piece of money, then go figure out. You know me scared.
Yeah, money run things. You always say money run.
Yeah, money run thing. Money down,
Alright,
yeah?
okay, money down.
Ah.
Brittany,
Yes.
where are you?
Here.
Okay, me I leave for work now. I'm going to do something. I do. You don't have a boyfriend?
No, I don't know what.
Okay, I hope not. Because you're not ready for that yet. And if you like to me, I have one, don't bring him come here. Remember, that's the only rule I have. Education, book, better than boyfriend. Alright?
Alright.
So, alright. We see you later.
Alright, later.
Bye. Good morning.
I have a boyfriend, but I'm not. Yeah.
Listen, let me ask you a question. What you know what you say one gated community?
Here.
A high resident place to me, baby.
Just jump the fence now. You know, you see them start from back in the ghetto.
I so know saying we love you, you know. Alright, I'll do that. And jump in the fence.
Me tell you which room with the room 98. You see me? At block 2.
Block 2, room 98.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
Alright.
Ah.
So hurry up because I'm alone here.
No worry, me did it by the blink of the eye. Just make sure the eye don't me now.
Alright, I gotta do the talk right now.
Hey, look at that. After me, I jump the wall and shall see you.
Not my problem.
Like them say, she let them say, listen to me. So hard.
What's it? You care not to stand everywhere you go, don't you? You hungry?
You
Want a cake? You want something to eat? You want something to eat?
Yeah.
You hungry? You want a cake?
What are you talking about?
Alright. Let's do some napkin. Smell the treat are good, you know? Look at that. Oh, the man not for you. Don't become like my uncle. Yeah, but okay, Papa. Come on, no, please. I just gotta go tell that to my auntie. Where do we go?
Huh?
Where do we go?
Who's telling man?
Sally, I can't take it on, Sally. No, the outside the money and give you. Make sure I outside the money and give you.
Alright.
No, I'm blueberry and strawberry. Because I have blueberry and strawberry.
Blueberry.
See, that's a clean up. Mommy, okay, then I'll put it in the
Come here. I'm in the back of the kid. We know come from country.
No, look here, and they teach me how to live. I'm like, you know, they can't be too greedy. You see me?
No.
Alright, me give her this piece. They're good? That was nice again, huh?
Run.
Alright. You want water? What you want?
We have to sell money. How about water?
Mine. You know why there's something here, you know? Why there's a water? I'm gonna look something very differently.
What's the matter, Mother?
She not come back now.
Alright, ma'am. We can go in our room.
Of course, I'm gonna ask that. No, just give me that plate. I'm gonna look over something. I'm gonna go to sleep. But by end of the day, thank you. What do you want me to look over for you? Break? You want to get your break? Eh?
Sorry,
I'm gonna go on mini piece of you.
never go back country.
What do you mean in a back country?
Look here. Look on your view. We can stay up here.
And what?
But I say your auntie there, you know. So I'm going to stay in her room. While they're doing everything, you cook and feed me and when they say, auntie, you come in there and I be the classic. Just here, think about it. We have to go back. It's hard to climb the fence. Look here. Me tear up my shots. It's hard.
Alright. But you have to get clothes.
You know where I want this can wash and dry. I'm still in my underpants. When this dry,
no.
Me put on and wash my underpants and my underpants.
Oh, so you must say they want me to go to the house. So I have an underpants. Just.
I don't want to see. Don't worry. Where am I answering? Yeah.
Alright, you know better want that?
Are you?
Yes, you know better want that?
If you want to use it, you go around.
That's right. Listen, oh.
Right.
Hey.
Oh, why two separate things?
One for me.
No. You don't walk so. I'm here, you man. You don't walk so.
So what you gonna do?
You don't walk.
We got the Jeff and we got the bag here. So what you gonna do? Join the bed them?
Just move.
They don't come to take over and roll things.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, man.
You get my job to them. This one me a talk about.
No, worry about that. When I drop you up, grow me up, then I'll go far. I want to take care of this one.
No.
Chicken one?
You eat it? You say country hot, you go with thick sheet.
Sometime, at night time when country call you need it. When the time needed.
So me can take up so mad man in our life.
Them sheet a long time we don't see them sheet a man.
Just stop no man. You go for wreck it one place, so make it one.
Shh! I mean man, relax man.
That no say.
Hey, see. Ooh!
Me turn you off and turn on the ceiling fan.
Me living good.
Give me AC something. Me turn on the ceiling fan.
What is that?
Yeah, and you just stop going to the man. That's what me used to go and to go to realize you know where it is.
I wish I was window.
Good window, yeah.
Ay!
Man, you drop for your head.
Oh, the hat, baby, oh, the hat. I'm almost one of them, correct me.
No matter with you.
You can get a price off it. What you think, sweet?
Me don't know.
Can I look at price for
Maybe
you?
a $5 for a pair.
What? Look at it for 2.5.
Say what for 2.5. So I'm going to take them remember from the window so that I see people looking for
You
me.
put sheet there. You know that we do
Which
in our
sheet?
country.
No, uptown life me I live. We don't live country life anymore.
What cook? You go and cool out.
Go cook.
Ooh.
Me I go be there for something. Well, no man, it's not like you not get the AC in the bed. The AC I go bed can not come in the bed for you. So go on. And I say AC I come in the bed can not come in the bed. So go on now.
Go and cook now, why about
Just go on. Just stop asking no man lie down. Go on in the bed. Come, go on in the bed. Now you get something to eat.
You know I get shocked like my friend Puppy Daddy, you know. When he lay down upon the current, you know. He get shocked.
Yes, yo.
I'm worried about you, man, too much. I don't remember the current the side I just go lay down upon it. We ball like a baby.
Don't be, because you're not good.
breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
You have to not take time. Come stop it, Chubby.
Brittany?
It's auntie.
I'm gonna just rub the door so.
No, because me I practice.
No, it sounds like a two people inside.
No, auntie, come in. Nobody's inside. We just there practice how to talk like a man and woman because I'm on the acting. We figure out I want to go nursing school. I want to be an actress. So I'm like, yeah, alright. Yeah, I'm okay. And you know?
Hey, just let me feel that. No.
No, for real.
Alright, make sure.
No, I'm in clothes. I'm just there put on, you know, stuff.
Make sure you're not nobody in the break.
No, auntie, I won't do that. I already told me already.
Don't do it.
I won't. Promise.
Alright? Okay, me I go out now. So, me see you later.
Alright, same to you.
Alright. Love
Okay.
you.
Yes, love you too. I should be Your chat's so loud.
I need to piece up myself now and see what come I do yourself. God, give me.
One of them are mine, you know. One of them are mine.
No, man, not the job, baby, come.
Hold it.
You take out the one I'm strength last night, the feet.
Sit down. Sit down, come on, right? Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
Alright, go in my closet, go in there. Go in there, in case you don't know. Savage this.
No, man, smell it.
Your arm green, don't do that, stop.
I'm not good.
Stop, no man. You tell us your arm green already, you can't listen. So just stop, no man. Stop, no man.
Yeah.
Yeah, make up nice and on around this, so.
Yeah. Man, got Chris Brown party.
Huh?
No, Chris Brown.
Fiwa, what you want with this to Fiwa, your birthday?
Yeah. $1.5 million.
So, me ask you a question, how me get the type of breed of money there?
Listen. A 3 million people.
3 million? How me get the money there?
Your auntie.
So what happened to my auntie?
You can't scan it.
Some of the thief man can't care come and give.
Bring it, come.
You can't.
Listen, you want to say your uncle.
So me in a relationship for? The thief and give. No, me make a get figure to calm down the man. You come like I'm your uncle, me nasty so. Me not like thieving man.
No.
I never know a thief me pick up at first, so how come to become this now?
Well, it's a big people like in
You look at
Jamaica.
you look at time I left from country, I turn thief. I will teach you a thief.
A government.
Which government?
Try to man the country and a thief, but you expect to lead the followers them to do not do the same thing too.
I'm just scared, man.
No, man.
No, she might have been around the room and no.
She was asleep.
So when she has seen for she pass us because man cracking here, so I look at mommy I go do.
You're going like, God, trap fire or faint or something. Just sleep now.
We have to do it now. Just calm down, man. We have to do it now.
Yeah. You want to get the ticket now. Before you sell out.
It's the ticket and now, so we can't play. Just calm. Yeah. Stand up.
Chris Brown, that's in the man.
So how many are run down because this so?
You don't understand.
Next time I call them and kiss me and eyes.
Party tonight and then film tomorrow.
Who are party tonight and they feel hungry? China knows me son about that country. And you alone that country when they feel hungry.
I don't tonight I'm sure you're not afraid. So now then tomorrow. Just find the ticket for your house tomorrow.
But I'm not. Just stay on the phone. Then we go out now for TV. Oh, then the little lesson on the say.
Chris Brown, all you want to do.
Licking your face. Shut up. Go back country. Go back country.
Alright, go on. I'm tired.
you get here?
No, baby. What are you doing?
So where you go?
I'm purchasing. I'm jump on to. Come on.
But they want to go for go. I'm not going to have it.
Okay, but they're back, Chris, bro.
Why nobody want to see for you? You gotta go.
Hi Brittany, I'm back.
Cook food there.
Okay, alright. I'll just freshen up and get relaxed and then get something.
Alright.
It's hot outside. Okay? You're good though.
Yes, I'm
You've been good.
Been good.
You're not bring nobody inside.
No, I didn't.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. The doorbell is late in the night. I'm coming. Who is it? Oh, yes, I need the night. You're not tired, maybe?
The long story, sister.
Yeah, it's not long story. When we met this long story short, I don't want to sleep. We have to get up early in the morning.
Alright, you know, say, one day I'm come here, and tell you, say, I'm a girl that I talk to for me there, I sit there. The girl tell me she's single, you know. That girl there that sleep and now she get me up, yo. Man, I'm from a soldier man, you know. So we have to jump through the window car 2 floor and climb up and, yo, I know me reach up on it.
But look, you never broke the foot. I'm tell you about them kitty or catty where I pick up off of the street.
Yeah, man, so. Anyway, we just say, no, because I say, I just want to go on the rest and go to the morning.
So you sleep, yeah?
But yeah, but
Tonight.
even for the setting, I just go and bounce till the morning, I just go down. When I wake up, I push out when I little. And I think something's going to be done, so.
Okay.
So you're good, Dolly, Friday?
Yeah.
When I put down? Not life reach.
You can't help yourself.
How we done? We just
You know, say my house never out of food fire.
We just rest off. First, we'll do this one.
Alright. So left over up on the stove if you want warm it up in the microwave. Or help yourself to snap out of the fridge. Alright?
Yes, yeah, I got this time. Run me around, you know.
From police.
So what that?
Alright.
Alright, never mind.
Have a good night's sleep.
Alright. Good for your family all about. Go on. When me are bell, the aunt and sister go open the door.
Eh?
Me are the bell a while ago, the bell ring.
No, they have a phone.
Not yet till the morning.
Oh,
Not for sure.
where are you?
I'm going to look for the eat car, so someday we can go and
Alright.
So you're at school are going?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So, uncle. What's about to ask you?
But you said it, yeah, setting, they are soldier, you know.
Eh?
Me, a soldier. I can't keep sleep on a prison.
Oh, that's...
Concrete ground. Sleep on. So it's like, just like the city they go.
You want bread?
Know yourself, man. Me I look and...
Then they are your auntie did back.
But anyway, there's a shit over there. Oh, Callaloo, and I flavor it, but look at it. Can swim in the island. Auntie can cook. How you cook?
Me never cook no callaloo chicken, me cook.
Alright. Callaloo, we have a cook back some food there. I'm swimming fish. I'm not like them island.
But me take them off here and put them, everything we need, just put them on plate.
No, man. Go to sleep, man. Go to bed.
You want to sleep?
Go in your bed, man.
I auntie something. Yeah, it's a good in the room here. I figure I'm in the comfort anyways.
Alright.
No, but I didn't want something else with them.
Oh, cool.
You? No, the phone I made.
Listen me. It's like all this are black and it's black. If you drink this, you go black like a tar.
But you black too?
Yeah, but you're black and me.
Me not black.
I see why you're young and black.
Look on, come here.
Stop drink this up.
You can't tell me that.
So I'm black here than me and me.
No, right. We have to take back to somebody.
Doesn't matter young. That's how young they young.
Let me go bleach clean that coat. Uncle, I'm going to something in it and you stay right there, so.
Well, I don't know, you know.
I'm going to see you.
I watch me.
Eh? No, I'm not watching. I just feel like stay there tonight. Because I always sleep out there sometimes.
Oh.
So I just look out. We done security so at night then, so.
Oh, she wants to sleep all the time and sleep in the room or something?
No, I can't stay there because sometimes I go in the room go visiting me to security me done tonight. Yeah. Uncle, like you know what? Just give me it back no man. You want water? We have no water, you know?
He said, you have a soup and he said, if you have breed, you have to drink it. So I don't think you have to drink it.
Me not breathe.
Oh yeah, though. You know, come to.
So wait then, me ask you a question. Say now, come to.
No, yeah, come to. No, say yeah, do it. Alright. More like this. Yo, night morning.
Alright.
Oh, then I feel like there's somebody gone, man.
Eh.
Ready? Wait a minute. What? Unusual transaction? $3 million. Ticket gateway. Not a ticket gateway. $3 million fake Chris Brown ticket. Ticket gateway. I never buy no ticket. Backside. No man, something wrong. I know I leave this card. The only person who know that this card is Brittany. We show Brittany the other day. Say for emergency purpose only. Don't tell me say this little picnic take on my card. Brittany!
Yeah?
Come here.
Eh?
You know anything about my card? But give me a song. You're the only person who tell about it.
No. We must have uncle over here. The Irish Indian come over here.
So when they come over here, come tell me about say man, this woman broke up and them a run from soldier. And I carry them one all these times. Him come in my room, come search.
Me don't know, I just come out of the room and then I see him in there. So I don't know if we come in here so first before we go there. So.
You know that $3 million that man take off of my card for buy ticket for go Chris Brown concert. Him think that's something to get my money.
What do you think you do with $3 million? Just to go see Chris Brown?
Just to go see Chris Brown. Wait until I see. Just wait until I see that. I better don't come back on my yard. But call him, you have him number, call him and tell him, say, don't come back on my yard unless him have me $3 million on my card.
Alright, Auntie.
Okay?
Okay.
No.
Yeah. The $3 million notification for $3 million off of my account. I never spend no money for $3 million. Let me check my card. I know him, I left it. And the only person I left this card is Brittany. Brittany!
Yes, Auntie?
Come here, man.
Yes?
You take my card out of my drawer?
No?
Because I have a notification coming, so my $3 million come off of my card, but I don't use it.
$3
I got in here, so. And me you alone know so the card in here, Brittany.
Remember say Uncle sleep over here last night?
You're right, you know. You're right. It's alright. Watch me on him. Tomorrow we are going country. Me deal with him. Alright. No problem.
Alright.
Uncle. Yeah, man. Listen now. You see what you do for me as well now. You make the boy feel good. When I get locked up, you know, I mean, you say you fly out, you know, and I say, you see a girl there. She have a drive in force. You remember them there trouble they say, go on like a time boy and see her work in a photography now, yeah, the face full magazine and your work, you have 2 jobs for you. Like that.
Remember the Indians thing?
Yeah, thank you for that something, yeah.
Yeah, man, on your side, if you.
Yeah, man, yeah,
You
man.
have tag. You have papa.
No, I like it. It was new, I feel new.
No, serious or something there, man. Yeah.
And for me, everything, so you're not telling for nobody else.
No. What? Who else will pick us something for?
Me?
I go up there go work hard, you know. Me not go up there for carry down things for people, you know.
Alright.
And you are my uncle, so I say me I carry things for you, because you treat me good.
Alright. That is to show say to good and good father.
I no bother give it up, you know.
No, hey, same thing get as a gift, I don't give it away. Don't worry about that. So you're good to the friend.
Yeah, man.
Well, you see a picture of prison me I come from, we just circle back in, you know, yeah, nothing yet. But yeah, what? Clear, man. We're going to link up here, yeah.
Alright, they look good though.
Alright, give thanks to you, see how it's
Yeah, man, we go and check your back.
Yeah, man, I like it, man.
Alright.
Trust me, yeah, enough respect. Good, man. Alright. So I get... How that? Come through.
It's
Go
all
on.
about Uncle.
Where are you?
No. Eh.
Alright.
Yeah.
What you want? Crackers can look like your man got down, you know. Before you did that
Don't
man
face told me Uncle who buy new clothes. Hang no come off.
Yeah, man, I'm more. Come from foreign then. I don't tell her who though, because she care about things to me. She don't want to give it to nobody. So I'm in the night classic, I'm in the mix up. Just say me, the boy look good. The boy have all things, yeah.
Yeah, that me say I just supposed to look new.
Yeah, man, everything new.
Let me see.
And you're mean.
Oh yeah, mommy say me buy a look of shampoo. You say I wash your head in the night.
Alright.
Yeah.
Not checking on there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm there, but watch it.
Yeah, can you check?
I'm fine. I don't know which one. The one you say,
Let me help her read.
take that one there. Near and this side.
Near if you move.
No, mix it. No, I feel here.
Oh.
Girl, I'm born before you know. Tell your mama to wash here with two of them. Mix up the two of them. You see the near? You go, you have vitamin E. Vitamins.
Min. I know
Hello.
Spanish we talk English. Min.
Min, and it's a rich. So that means that if she do this, she go rich. You do two of them, wash her here. Alright?
Yes, I'm gone.
Alright, later.
Later. We gonna check your one this time.
No check me. When you check me every time I see you want. Can't bother with you. Like my niece is gonna check me, carry clothes come. Every time you check me. The difference of what I do. I search up that to my man.
Come in, detective. All me there me tea off on still a come to go for. Or come in.
What am I doing?
Uncle!
Police, I won't know.
See my officer, the man is to take me $3 million.
What are you talking about? What are you
3 days ago when you come at my house, me and my niece was home. And you go in my room, you go in my drawer, and you take out my card, and you take $3 million off of it.
You see me, tell us about coming down there. We are talking about...
Pull the curtain, Rasta. I'll see what I'm pull the curtain.
Uncle, no one think me can use a bathroom.
Go and go use this. I don't understand how this whole story come about. Are you alone there, sir? You alone there, man. So, sister, what kind of gun do them people come here with?
I want back my money, I want back my $3 million. Money and brother and sister no mix. Me want my $3 million.
Hey, wait.
Come inside.
Come back. Listen now, we don't know what I'm talking about, you know. We're not talking to them, no. Hey. This is my house.
Hey, listen me, we not talk to you. See? Man, step in and have a look.
We have a search warrant.
You want it the hard or the easy way?
If we don't have no search warrant, so we really can't come in my house. And me have to go in the blind to come in here. But see,
Okay.
it's innocent. Listen now, it's an innocent you.
Yeah.
Just a couple fresh out of prison. I don't like nobody accuse me of anything we don't know about. How did I take a $3 million out of your house?
If I need to take my $3 million where you get money from to buy new clothes, this man just come out of prison. You not walk nowhere.
What we say now?
Which way did have the cash? Sorry, what I remember.
In my bedroom, in my dresser drawer, in one blue bag. The only person who know about
So
it,
cash.
So, mom, where exactly did I have the cash?
officer, is a bank card.
It's a car?
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, mind if you come inside and have a look?
I have no bank card in here. I only have a credit card to put credit on the phone. I have no bank card in my house.
Like joking.
No, tell me, look, you know, be sure how serious me is.
So, I'm ask you a question.
Come in, man, you can't come in. You can't come in. Because I'm innocent. You see the clothes I have on? Officer, look at. You see them clothes and my niece just tell them come.
Yeah.
And my niece just tell them come.
Okay. Well, that now not to do.
Straight from five, some more things are from five.
Hey, listen me now. Hey, listen. You hear me, I say, sir? You calm yourself, Zin. You don't fight we, you fight the court. There's a problem.
I can't this officer.
You understand what I mean?
This is my bank
How
card.
do you put it there?
This is my bank card.
Auntie, this one I'm lift up your look, right?
Hey, listen to
Yes.
me, I say. Zin. Your place under arrest.
Everything good.
Yeah, you just kind of keep silent, yeah?
Take my phone. Sorry, uncle.
Go on. What
Let
I'm
me use the
going
bathroom.
Everything good. Sister, everything good.
Take the bathroom.
Everything good. Everything good, man.
No coming?
Once the fire come freely apologize to you about that bad thing, you know. I find out say I'm in the niece Brittany. Thief the card and go buy concert ticket to see her boyfriend. Her boyfriend she tell me that she never have. To go to Chris Brown concert. So I apologize. I know you just come out of jail recently, you know the find nothing. And then because I get you back involved with the law that set you back again, you triple the money. You can start a business or something like that.
Because we're real stressful, because you know say your brother on a petty thief. And when I come to the night, she sit down out in the hall and I leave her same place, she drop a sleep same place in the hall and I leave. Where I never come in here, you know they open up. But for you say you're going and see me just long down and I get up early and push out the phone and wake up, you understand? So that's that still. So I learned to forgive. And it is a setup thing. And she do it so skill because I never have a card in there.
Yes, you can never expect that from her. Really never expect that from her. You know, so again, I apologize.
Alright, apology.
Move on.
Apology accepted. So that is that. Let's play two them again because I'm soon going to my bed.
Alright. Cool.
Yeah. Did you like that one? Let me know. Leave a comment down there and thing. Like I was saying, I'm building the official studio now. You know what I mean? It's a project I take on. And when I take on project like them, I can't sleep at night because we're fighting a war. You know what I mean? And the war is an unfair war because what you're fighting for is a better. And when you're doing good, it's very hard doing good. But we don't like the easy way out. So we are do the work, you know what I mean? Been trying in ways to make ends meet, you know what I mean? But most I keep on preserving, you know what I mean? So we keep on holding on, you know what I mean? It's kind of disappointing sometimes, you know what I mean? You feel like, you know, it's a sad story when you come to black people and it's really sad, you know what I mean? But we're not really damn the moment, you just watch something, enjoy it, and then at the end, it's a sad story. But reality is reality, and we have to wake up someday. You know what I mean? You can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool all the people all the time. You know what I mean? So we're not fool, you know what I mean? We're wise, you know what I mean? And there's a lot of things that we realize. And people have to realize in themselves to know that we're fighting a war. Yeah, we're having fun. We can have fun and fight a war. You know what I mean? Off the camera, it's a struggle to keep things going. You know what I mean? Because what I really want to do is not small things. We're starting from small, and we've been starting for over 3 years now. You know what I mean? But the fight is real, and the financial part of it is real. You know what I mean? Plenty of people do things for a different reason. You know what I mean? And different time come with different season. I hope you read between the lines what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? What I do, I don't do for self. You know what I mean? I do it for the country. You know what I mean? And I do it for the nation. I do it for the human race. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, it's a fight. You know what I mean? Just to keep it up. Because I want to go to the level where my staff, them people that work for me, can get proper paid. So if I don't get proper money, they don't get proper money. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to elevate myself. So I've written a show that I tell that gonna come on YouTube, you know what I mean? And that gonna need sponsors, you know what I mean? To really get it up, to get the right things that we really need, you know what I mean? So we can bring it to light, you know what I mean? Because what we've been doing over the time is like practicing. is try practice exercise every day. One day get fit, that we've been doing. So this series that I'm gonna do, cause I think I'm gonna put it in that series. I write it as a single movie, but my mind is telling me to expand upon it and turn it into a series. Either a 10-part series, maybe 45 minutes per episode. You know what I mean? So me I reach here with a reason, so we go figure it out. I may actually go up on this project, so me I try look into it and fine print it and go through it and ensure say everything ready. You know what I mean? Let's go. We always be looking for new actresses. You know what I mean? Because plenty actors come, but the reason why they come is not the reason. It's not the reason. The main objective that's gonna put the company forward. What we're looking for persons who want to be the best ever live. You know what I mean? Because that's where we have to come from, because we're not getting proper funding. So we have to make it so good we cannot be denied. You know what I mean? If that's what I mean. So we are trying to get the right set of things. We want the right set of light, right set of boom mic, right set of everything for this project. You know what I mean? That means so when we put it out there and do it, it cannot be denied. You'll get the right sound, you'll get the right color, you'll get the right everything. It's gonna take more time, you know what I mean? But when it's gonna work, the time and the effort, you know what I mean? I'm confident in this movie that I write, and even my brain, I'm seeing it, you know what I mean? So I know that it's a good movie, you know what I mean? So let's see what goes on as we go along. So if you're really interested and want, we can have a conversation, because I love to talk to people, right? Because I learn every day when I talk. So I'm gonna leave my number be on the screen, so you can contact me personally, professionally, you know what I mean? And if you have a company where really you start a new company and you want people to know where your company is, no matter where you are, our program reach to anyway. For you, somebody have a phone, have an internet, we're there in their pocket, on the table, in the bar, really everywhere. You know what I mean? Give thanks to the people them where support and them keep the station on. You know what I mean? So do try find a way to reach out and support the movements. Even by giving us our ads. You know what I mean? You have a location where you want to expand upon, you want the people them know about in the world. A good advertisement we can pass, so come shoot there and put it and make people know where party located. So you have a boss, your party boss wanting company go forward. Introduce them to the channel and say, yo, them people do good advertisement too, you know. You know what I mean? Just give them a little thing and make them can roll through and come deal with the thing professionally. And then, because what we're doing now is history. You know what I mean? It's not a mystery, it's history. And we are fighting a real war. You know what I mean? Without the fight, we're not going to reach far. So we don't prepare for it. You know what I mean? Internally, externally, we're still ready. You know what I mean? We never really change. You know what I mean? So many times I'm absent when I brain with it. I try to figure out a way, because you have to find the way out when you're born in prison. Yeah, Jamaica is paradise, but it's prison. You know what I mean? And saying this to say that when they're here, the payment is not so good when you work in Jamaica. Jamaicans work for like $70 to $80 per week. You know what I mean? So I don't understand how my mother do it, you know. You know what I mean? Because she do it for years and years. And so them when I sight up them things, because I was a youth like this, you know. For me, I go to school, I see my mother do the 9 to 5, and I realize, mommy, that I get paid. You can't say I go to school then, man. So at 15 years old, I push out for my own and rent my own house and have my own woman and feel like me a man still. And then, after a while, I make a bam and go back home. Do I hear out the road to see how they look, and then I went back home by 16 and go back to and start go high school. So when I go high school now, I tell my mom, say, watch her now, mommy. We don't go to the road I do from 15, you know, never finish school yet, you know. So I roll back in a school and now go see what I go on and now. So I go Grangeville High School them time there, Belied. You know what I mean? Same place in Westmoreland. Look a bit after past, look London High School and go through the first. People who know down the region know it. And when I start at that school and now, the first day, I got accepted at that school by one entry test. I tell mom, say, no worry yourself, man. Because you have your hand on the one that said, Jesus. I will go on and now. I'm going to send you to go to school and now I can take taxi from Negril, go Green Drill, and then go on lunch money and this and that and the bills them all they can pay. You know what I mean? So I say, know yourself. I push out on the road, you know. I step out on the road and I go down on the beach road and I start walking. Same evening I'm khaki. Because I say, I need to find a work today. And the work is gonna find today. So I'm not go home tonight, you know. I'll 2 days up on the road I walk and I check for work because I know say once there's a will there's a way and I take what I take and I go do what I do. You know what I mean? So when I type on the road I know ask about 20 places and everybody tell me to write out farm and read this and I write out every blowout thing I write till me and they hot me. Right? And then one security pull me one side. Big up to that security, they have to know the high name. You know what I mean? So some security are good people. Majority of them. Some of them just because of how they walk one of the yards my time we bring it to work. But please don't do that. You know what I mean? Because people really look up to you as person. Protect them and make sure everything's safe. Yeah man, so not cutting away from the subject though. So when it makes a ray, him call me one side and say, young man, how you try to? I say, you know, so I work, I look. Well, I say, I have security now, my day I work too, you know, and the pay not so nice, but I can't say, Ray. But I tell you one thing though, you cannot go into the office and write down these things because they're going to put it on one file and dash the file in one closet and nobody now look for that until, unless I want emergency. I know emergency now come now because the country and they have enough work for emergency come, so you pile up and paper trash. Alright then. So I say, so what for do, daddy? What for do? As a young youth, what for do? Because I don't want to kill nobody, you know. I don't want thief, you know. I don't want no pipe if you run down a guy, you know. So you know, he must say to me, say, yo, you know. When you go at the hotel now, you find a personnel, you find a manager, you find a supervisor and try to talk to them personally. Them can pull a string for you because of them go do the thing still. So you either cut them a long road, they tell them a situation. And the next hotel me stop at beach club. You know what I mean? That's why I always stay at the hotel. No matter anyway, most of the hotel I stay. Because back in it, it's different people already now. But the charter department, I went to them and them say, yo, fire, what you talk about? You go to school? And the gentleman I want female in there and they say, yo, I really admire that enough, say you want to send yourself go to school. You know what? I'll give you evening work. So I'm in my school over 12 o'clock. And it about 45 minutes drive to come down. You know what I mean? So I have to make a ray every day and then give me the work. We start work. I just meet all my artist brother named Timmy Burrell because I used to sing them time there, you know. So I go up on the property, then hear my voice and say, yo, singer, you know, so I'm security I was sing, you know, and then link up with Timmy Burrell them and the whole. So it's a history of what my life is and what I've been through today. And I want to change it to the world still, you know what I mean? The hard life has turned me into, cause it's a diamond and a gold, cause I pressure build diamond. So the mind is a diamond mind, like, you know what I mean? But just now get what I need to do, what to do to change reality from where we are to get there. Because movie is not a small business. It's $1 billion business. And it's run by one set of people. And I have the capability to represent for my set of people, that's the poor people them. You know what I mean? I have it to represent for them. You know what I mean? But I need the opportunity so I can give them the opportunity. So I hope you understand. So I hope this reach your right ears and cause gaze where I gaze really. Cause if I have it, I just do it, you know. Me not even talk about it, ask anybody about me. Because a man no love talk, me a action man. Action. You know what I mean? So me always have the best thing for the future at all times. Even when people not even understand. I have to be the one I see far down the road. You know what I mean? The captain. Let's go. Yeah man, burn it up to the ground. So, the nobody there. We can't raise the man. You could have said me talk too much, but me not talk too much because if me not talk, you won't know. You know what I mean? Because people love that something that them say beg too much. But if me don't want it, I wouldn't beg. You know what I mean? And I'm not begging for bread on the roadside. I beg for a better future. I beg for freedom. You know what I mean? Because 1% of people, everybody has support. Yo, this is Jamaica. I hope you understand that. This is Jamaica. The land I love. You know what I mean? So I try to make it better here. I can leave from here. You know what I mean? I could leave from here and don't give a damn about what going on here. But it's my place. I was born here. I want to go back to Africa, go have a property here. But still, I'm born in Jamaica. So I want to have a foot in Jamaica. And I love movie. And I want the movie industry to develop so that people in Jamaica can benefit from it to the fullest. You know what I mean? Because when times stress, it goes with the crime and violence. Why not use that same energy and become great people in movie? Because we do reggae, we do dancehall build hip-hop a $1 billion business, reggae music build, reggaeton a $1 billion business. So you see, we can build for people. It's time for people to build us too, because we have been building the world. And now we not write a bill, we not build them, we not write a bill. We say, yo, this we not take that, we not take this, we get back something more tight. Since things have flourished so much, we will get back something more tight. If the people that in the world themselves, them have search history feet and figure out where they come from and try to put back some love and put back some money in Jamaica still, because we are the people that build the things them. This is the island where we kill each other. We're on with. We not kill when people come in. You know what I mean? So them come and them take what they want and leave. So some of the times people don't need to come in and give a strength to the people them. So you're blessed upon yourself. Because Jamaica is not as bad as how they make it seems though. We're just suffering, right? And it can get better, but we need proper leadership. Not leader, because we tell you one thing, we Jamaican, you know, maybe I talk too long, we need to have a chat, a place to probably chat like a podcast, because there's so much things to say. You know what I mean? But for now, I just talk, I want to listen, because some of my fans will want to hear me talk still. Alright. So the topic, what's happening at talk about now? Because you're behind the camera. I now focus. Alright, hungry time I know. You the cameraman hungry, so you know, so you know to go and brain cells. So you may be there, yeah, that you're belly full and things. So I talk about proper leadership. Structure the thing properly. Because we in one country where when you look around, the people them don't have control and nothing at all. So if they don't have control and nothing at all, they don't have no interest to make sure the place better or nothing at all. They don't have no fear for them nothing at all. But if you give them value, if you give the people them value, something to live for, oh what a wonderful place it would be. Because people could have them family time, the kids them could grow better, everything could be better. But with the lack of leadership, because we are individual people, I tell you, that's the black people, we're individual and selfish. And we have to try break out from that. That the teaching there, we have to start with the younger people them to know, say, yo, life, I don't like that really. You're not supposed to be selfish. Like you alone. Like, look on the running. We're number one in a running. You understand? We're number one in a running. But check when we play football. Does the fact that we have to share the ball. A problem. We're not so bad for that. But when you catch singular, like I want somebody to do it. Watch and see. We stand out. So that singular thing is what's going on now. You have a singular 1% of people them now where creep everything for themselves. And when them bunks have some crepes and stuff at the table and drop a ground, people them fight for it. Them now group up and build one ladder and knock and go up on top of the table. That means you can burn on everything if you not get none. They want dung dust and a fight everybody around them. So we kill the people them around with the most. You know what I mean? When we stress, we do a meditation and see what can we do today so it would impact a better future tomorrow. I hope you understand what I mean by that. We are do today for impact tomorrow. Because anyway, take it, you impact tomorrow. If you do badness today, what you go on the road, be a badness. But do goodness now, and so go on down the road. Be a goodness. Let's go. Give thanks for listening, you know what I mean? Fire us in our place, burn it down to the ground. We play all of my fans, them, all of my sponsor them. You know where you go. You know what I mean? Take what you can go do what you do. You know what I mean? Big up the foundation people there. Damien, bless up yourself. Tats and Franco, you know what I mean? Big up on yourself, CM Speed. Jules, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Antoinette, the whole network, Media Vibes, you know what I mean? There's a wide list of people. Stacy, Wally more people. and the original fans them from that time. Big up Empress G same way. She always did she one person with a lot of conversation, you know what I mean? So there's many more people there. Some people don't like them name be mentioned, you know what I mean? But respect to them, you know what I mean? Respect to them. Respect yourself, but it down to the ground. And my favorite friend too, big up yourself. I hope the gizzard out there was wonderful, you know what I mean? And I hope that when you bake some cake, you say nice some, you know yourself. One love, all the time. Let's go.